Today I am going to be planting some okras, guys, but unfortunately I ran out of space in my small space garden already. So in this video I'm going to be sharing a simple hack for a small space garden to maximize on space. All right guys, let's head over in the garden. I already know exactly where I'm going to be planting the okras, and I'm gonna have to do something crazy to create that space to grow my okras. All right, let's get over there. All right guys, so now here's what I'm gonna do. So guys, I am going to be making some adjustments with this citrus plant right here and another one right here. They have been growing from last year. I have not gotten any fruits from my lemon planters yet, but I have already harvested one of the sweetest oranges I've ever eaten from this orange plant. Now both of the plants have been growing in two half 55-gallon barrels, and right now this one is putting out another fruit. The lemon has not put out any fruit as yet, but I'm going to be taking them out guys, because this plant, I don't believe it's going to get any bigger at all, because I believed it was a grafted plant. So I'm going to be taking out both of them, and I'm going to put them in smaller containers to see if they will continue producing. As a matter of fact, I bought both of them in two small containers like this, and I transplanted them in two containers like this, and that was when I got my first orange from the orange plant. But now I'm going to be taking them out, and I'm going to be planting them in smaller containers so I can get to plant other things in the half a 55-gallon barrel, because I am trying to maximize on my growing space, y'all. So here they are in the smaller containers. This is the first one, but before I show you the other one, I am going to be feeding this one with some comfrey tea, because it is now putting out fruits, and I want to ensure that it has a lot of nutrients to continue growing. And I can see it was also putting out some more leaves. And guys, believe it or not, I did not see this little bud on the lemon plant. Did not see it at all. So I'm going to give it a little drink as well, and then I'm going to be mulching the containers. And so this is where hubby is now throwing our grass clippings. So whenever I need some mulch, I can just come over here and grab it, go back and use it in my containers. Heading back over now to mulch the plants. Here is my grass clippings, and you're gonna put it around the base of the plants, guys. I think I'm just gonna toss the rest of the grass clippings down here, because whatever I'm going to grow in there, I can just poke the seeds on in the ground. Yep. And just like that, guys, I am all ready to grow some more food. Now I have the entire space around this container right here to pop my okra seeds. I am really not sure if these seeds are still viable, so I am going to put about 3 seeds in each hole. I will not be planting any in the front section, but I'm going to be utilizing the sides and the back. So here are the seeds. They still look good, and I'm going to be starting from the back. So I have 3 right there, and I'm gonna be putting 3 in front of this garlic right here. Guess what, guys? I think I have enough space to sow some more seeds. So I'm going to sow 3 right here. Right there. And I'm also putting 3 right here. So the more the merrier. And remember, y'all, I'm putting 3 seeds because I am not sure if these seeds are still viable, because I saved them from okras that I've grown in the past. So I believed I sowed, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 15 okra seeds in this barrel right here. So let's move over to the other container right now. All right, so I need 15 okras, y'all. Hold up. Uh-oh. I mean, I need 15 okra seeds, so I have 4, 5, 6. This one is too small, so 4, 8, 10. I need 5 more. This should be more than enough. I'll just sow what I need to sow and put the rest back in the bottle. All right, guys, there we have it. I have successfully sown my okra seeds. So if you're out in the garden growing in a small space garden and it seems as if you don't have any space, just go out and search around. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find somewhere that you can add another container in the center to elevate the existing plant and to create growing space in the area that you were originally growing. So if this tip or this hack was any way, shape or form beneficial for you guys, go ahead and comment and let me know. Okay, that is it. And always remember to water in your seeds to start the germination process. It is a very sunny day over here today. Very nice day to start some seeds. And I think I'm also going to be putting some other stuff in the ground. So I will see you when I'm doing. Oh, before I go, if this is your first time here, I am the Glades Garden Girl and I'm growing over here in Zone 10B, Florida. My mission on this channel is to cultivate and motivate others who would like to grow their own food. So, until next time, guys. I will see you soon in the other video. Bye bye.